What's up? In this TinyCast, I am going to create a real-time, user-facing data API over a Redpanda serverless topic in 2 minutes. Timer set, let's roll. All right, so here I am in my Redpanda serverless cluster. You can see that I have a few topics over here. Let's check out this Cameron test topic. Now I'm actively producing messages into this topic, and here's what they look like. We got a timestamp and 3 IoT sensor readings. Now, let's get this data into Tinybird. So I'm going to head to my Tinybird workspace, create a new data source, and then select the Redpanda connector. Now, I'll go back to Redpanda and grab the Bootstrap server URL and paste that into Tinybird, and I'm going to call this connection Redpanda. Then I need to pass a key and a secret. In this case, I have a username in Redpanda called Peregrine with access to the topic I want. So I'll add those details into Tinybird, paste the secret, select my SASL mechanism, and connect. And there's that topic. Now, let's give this connection access to this consumer group in Redpanda and click Next. And we'll get all the messages on this topic. Now, Tinybird is going to analyze the messages and create a table schema. So I'm going to explicitly define my timestamp column as a datetime64 type. Then I'm going to name this data source IIoT events and set the primary sorting key to the timestamp column. Now, let's create that API. First, we're going to query this data source with SQL in a Tinybird pipe. I'll name this pipe average readings, rename this first node, and then write some SQL to get the average reading for pressure, temperature, and flow over a parameterized lookback period. Now, let's turn this into an API, and done. Now, I'm just going to copy this sample usage, paste it in my browser, and there you go. I've got the average sensor readings over my lookback period. Tinybird's mission is to give developers tools they love so they can build real-time analytics at scale without worrying about any infrastructure. With Redpanda serverless platform and our Redpanda connector, it has never been easier for developers to build real-time data APIs over streaming data at scale. Cheers.